In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view backup photos in Google Photos. To get started, open any web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Using a browser is one of the easiest ways to check your backed up photos because it lets you view everything stored in your Google Photos account in one place. Once your browser is open, go to photos.google.com and sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you use the same account connected to Google Photos on your phone or device. This is important because your backups are tied to that specific Google account. If you sign into a different one, you may not see the photos you're expecting. After you log in, you'll be taken to your Google Photos library. From here, you should be able to see the photos and videos that have already been backed up. These items appear in your photo stream where they are organized and displayed directly in your account. If your backup has been working correctly, this page is where your saved media will show up. Take a moment to scroll through the library and look for the images you want to confirm. If they appear here, that means they've been uploaded to Google Photos and are available in your backup. This is a useful way to double check that your memories are stored online, especially if you're switching devices, freeing up phone storage, or simply making sure your photos are safe. There's also one important thing to keep in mind. If you turned off backup in the Google Photos app, you may still notice a small cloud icon on certain photos. That cloud symbol indicates the photo is already backed up. In other words, even if backup is currently disabled, photos that were uploaded earlier can still remain safely stored in your account and visible in Google Photos. So if you want to verify your backup, the process is simple. Open a browser, go to Google Photos, sign in, and review your library. It's a quick and reliable way to check what has already been saved. This can give you peace of mind and help you manage your photos more confidently. And that's how to view backup photos in Google Photos.